I made an easy to use moderation bot. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this bot. Let's get into the video. First things first, if you go and if you look at the bot, you can see that it says it's playing a game called equals help. Equals is the prefix and help is just the help command. So if I go equals help, it'll delete the command, but it'll send you a help menu through your DMs. We're just gonna go by these one by one. So first of all, the say message. So if I do say, and then a message that I want to send. We'll say this is the say command. So if I send that, it should delete the command. This is the say command. It should send the message. And then kick. I'm not gonna go too in depth on the kick and ban because these are pretty obvious. So kick, use the kick, and then you provide a user and a reason. The reason is optional. You don't have to provide a reason if you don't want to. Same thing with the ban command. Role, this gives a role to a user. So role user and then role, and I mention myself. I'll give myself moderator, I don't know. So then I mention the role, and if I send the command, it'll say I have gotten the moderator role, and I have indeed gotten that moderator role. This role remove, this is the same thing as this, except it takes away the role. Takes away one of the roles that they have. Lock, you can lock a channel. So for example, if I go to somewhere like help where it's a public channel, I can go lock and it will lock this channel down. And if I go into this channel settings, as you can see, send messages for everyone is off. So it will make it where people can see it, but they can't type in it. Unlock, it basically unlocks the channel that you lock. Unban, that's one's pretty straightforward as well. It unbans the user. Now when you unban, you have to use the user plus their tag as well. It won't do it if you just do their name. You have to actually do their tag as well. And then mute. That one's most of these are pretty straightforward. Mute, user, reason, unmute, it unmutes the user. Set nickname. Apparently set nickname is not working, so I might fix that later on. For now, you can just, you probably can just do it manually. It's easy to do it manually. All you have to do is go right click on your name and go to edit server profile. Slow mode, this sets a slow mode for the channel that you send it in. So if I do equals slow mode, and then you put how many ever seconds you want it to do. So like if you want it to do like in minutes, you have to put the amount of seconds are in that minute. So like for 1 minute you put 60 seconds, for 2 minutes you put 120, and so on. 60 on there, it'll put it the slow mode for 1 minute. So there we go. Slow mode has been set, as you can see. And if I go to the channel settings, you can see the slow mode has been set to 1 minute. This warn command right here is not really important because it only warns the user. It doesn't really take any action, but it just warns it. Do warn, and then you mention the user, and you provide a reason. Or you don't have to provide a reason, but I suggest you provide a reason so they know what they did. And it'll send a DM right to the user. This clear command, if I go equals clear, I don't know, I guess we'll do like 10 messages. It will delete that amount of messages. 8-ball. 8-ball is a pretty fun command. So you can also do these commands through DMs. So if I go equals and then 8-ball, and then you ask it a question. It's like a fun command. Will people like this video? Outlook good. You heard the bot, guys. Like this video. You guys heard it. It's not me saying it. Just follow the bot. Follow the bot. The bot is always right, okay? The bot is always right. So you probably should like the video. You probably should like it right now. This new command. This just provides updates for the bot. So new. I recently updated it just a minute ago. So I put it in this command. So this is a new command right here. A new yeet success command messages. So basically I added a bunch of yeet words into the ban and kick commands and all that stuff. New yeet messages. I mean, I did call it yeet moderation. That is gonna be it for the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to drop that like down below. Seriously, if you guys don't do it, I will be under your bed. Join the Discord down in the description below. Like and subscribe, and peace out.